Hello, greetings everyone. This is siriUS. We are the college students from Bachelor of Science in Information and Technology in College of Computing and Engineering Department at Pamantasan Ng Cabuyao. This is Amor Padua, also known as Amor, with a student ID 1902997.
I am Kylle Dela Cruz, also known as Loren, student ID 2101046.
I am Ignacio, also known as Ichan, student ID 1902697.
Mark Jemuel A. Menguito, your Gem 2101280.
Hi, I am Ryanker A. Polinar, also known as RK, and the student number is 1904192.
And I am Revilyn Joy R. Salasiban, also known as Ligaya, student ID 1902232.
This is siriUS siriUS reporting. Now take your pen and paper to take note of some of the important details as we discuss the context diagram. What do we call the level 0 diagram? What is its brief history, and also what are the assumptions for our online food delivery service?
An online food delivery service is a platform that processes ordering food for delivery or pickup from website or other application. Social distancing is must during the pandemic, so it is vital to order food online. Moreover, some individuals own small business through online food delivery service. It is convenient and efficient for consumers and sellers to do transactions using this platform, which is still applicable today.
So before we discuss the diagram, what is the context diagram or level 0 diagram?
CFD level 0 is also called context diagram.
It is a high-level overview of the entire system or process being investigated or modeled.
These concepts' advantages are drawn to establish and explain the software system's boundaries. It identifies information flows between the system and the external entities. The whole software system is depicted as a single process.
In the context diagram level 0, we have elements which are the source are the boxes, the process is the circle, while the arrow indication defines the data flow.
External entity is also known as source or link, which sends or receives data and communicates with the system being diagrammed.
The process is a procedure where it changes the information and also its flow, resulting into a new output.
Okay, data flow is the direction in which the information or the data flows from sources or what we call the sinks to processes and stores.
As you can see, the level 0 context diagram shown in the figure contains a box-shaped external entities, or also known as source and sink, which are the customer, the food panda, and the available stores.
We also include one process, which is the food panda application. This is where the process begins before and after transmitting the data back and forth.
Lastly, the arrows indicate the data flow as it is the one in between the external entities and processes. This also presents the flow for each element.
We will be explaining the data flow altogether later. Let's go first. What is the brief history behind this business?
What is Food Panda Brief History? Brief history allow us to recognize the history that led to Food Panda, knowing who the founder is and how it got started. The founder of Food Panda in 2012 is Ralph Wenzel, the Chief Executive Officer, and Benjamin Bauer, a Chief Marketing Officer. Ralph Wenzel took a master's degree in computer science at University of Applied Science Berlin and graduated from Universidad de La Habana. However, Benjamin Bauer took a master's degree in science at West Ham United and graduated with a Bachelor of Science from Maastricht University in Business Administration. In Asia and Europe, the company is known as Food Panda. Its brand is also known as Hello Food in other countries such as Africa, Latin America, and Middle East. Food Panda is subsidiary of Delivery Hero, and it is the world's largest online food delivery industry. In June 2014, Food Panda was launched in the Philippines and has since grown over to 1,000 partners restaurants nationwide, located in the headquarters of Berlin, Germany. It operates in over 400 cities across 11 Asian markets. Customers can place orders from anywhere using this platform, saving time and resources that would otherwise be spent traveling to pick up a meal. It also allows consumers to reorder their favorite orders in the simplest and most convenient way.
Since we are done with the brief history of the panda, we will now proceed to its assumption.
First of all, the level 0 context diagram that we created was based on Food Panda online food delivery services. Here, the customer should install the application first on their devices.
It is assumed that they will log in first on the Food Panda application after the installation. The application will process their information by sending it all to the store.
Then, once the admin of Food Panda has finished checking and verifying the user information, it will send a confirmation back to the Food Panda application. That will allow the customer to start browsing and add their orders to their cart.
After that, the Food Panda application will enable the customer to double-check his orders to ensure accuracy and avoid future inconveniences for both parties.
Once they've confirmed their order or once the customer confirmed their orders, the customer will settle his payables in the Food Panda application through cash on delivery or through online banking, which the store will verify again.
Lastly, the store will now prepare their order and it will be delivered to their houses, residences, and also they will receive the receipt.
Wow! Now I know how online food service work. Order received, food cravings satisfied.
Therefore, we conclude that all of the information and methodology of our data flow diagram are well elaborated, especially in brainstorming and contextualizing specific data flow in given function inside the level 0 diagram. We also learn that every entity plays a significant role in every source and process because this can affect the whole flow of the level 0 diagram and the sustainability of the information if not maintained. In addition, we considerably understand how the Food Panda or online delivery services originated, particularly the brief history of the food company or Food Panda company.
Well done, everyone. Full of learnings from today's video. From your series models with me.
I am Kylle Dela Cruz, also known as Loren, student ID 2101046.
I am Ignacio, also known as Ichan, student ID 1902697.
Jemuel A. Menguito, your Gem 2101280.
Hi, I am Polinar, also known as RK, and my student number is 1904192.
And I am Revilyn Joy R. Salasiban, also known as Ligaya, student ID 1902232.
Amor Padua, also known as Amor, with a student ID 190299.
S I
I
U
S.
We are siriUS.